before this year is over, this ground will hold the nation's first solar highway project, and Oregon will make history using the power of the sun to light this interchange. More importantly, this project will represent a new era for energy in Oregon. It will represent a step forward toward our vision of an energy-independent Oregon, and it will represent the endless opportunities before us to chart this course of clean, reliable, and renewable energy for our state.
So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to put in the first, and you see it over there, the first of what's going to be 594 panels like that, and the panels are going to cover 8,000 square feet. That's the green strip out here behind me. That'll be all covered with solar panels, and this array alone is going to provide enough electricity to power about a third of the load of all the lighting and signage and other facilities on this interchange. So what's going to happen is these panels will produce power during the day, put it on to the Portland General Electric grid, and then PGE is going to return an equivalent amount of power during the night to light the interchange. And we expect that this array is going to be operational by December. So in the depth of winter, when you come through this interchange and the lights are on, you'll know that those lights are being powered by solar power.
This highway is lighting a project that we're celebrating today. Truly is evidence that solar power has the potential to become part of Oregon's energy future. We're especially honored to stand alongside Governor Kulongoski, who's a champion of renewable energy and sustainability. PGE was very proud to be among the first to work with the governor in crafting the state's renewable energy standard, which calls for utilities like ours to have 25% renewables by 2025. And we know that the demand for electricity in our region is growing quickly, and to meet that demand and to achieve our 25% renewable goal, it's going to require the use of every tool in our toolbox, and solar will become an increasingly important part of that.
Well, it starts with the leadership within ODOT having the vision for the opportunity to leverage their right-of-way and their assets for the good of the climate, good for the public, and with that leadership, bringing in the right partners in the private sector. And throughout this entire development process, the mindset was, how can we, rather than why can't we? And from the very start, it was project first and it was purpose driven. And everyone constantly asked themselves, what is it that I can do? What is it that we can do to achieve the purpose of this opportunity? So the alignment, the collective potential ended up with extraordinary results that we see today.